Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi A1 Plus and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So I will use the Google Chrome in order to show you the operation, but no worries, it should look the same, kind of the same, similar with in any other commercially used browsers. So let's enter the browser. We have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the history. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. So of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually one by one just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is long and you want to remove more kind of advanced items from the browser, then I highly recommend to click on the clear browsing data. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. The basics are right here: the browsing history, cookies, site data, and cache images and files. And in advanced, we've got also this section, so the saved passwords, auto-fill from data, and site settings. If you want to remove something, just make sure that it is marked. So I will remove saved passwords, and here we've got the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. So basically all we have to do right now is to tap on clear data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that we just successfully removed everything. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Redmi A1 Plus. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.